The infamous N20 engine with the leaky valve covers. This is my second, my other X1 2012. I have a black one and a white one I use for winter beaters. This one's not leaking as bad. It's just starting to leak. On the other white one, I put a shield on it, and I've improved on the shield a little bit. It's about 12 inches. This one I made a little wider, but I put a little bend on the bottom because that way it won't creep back up the metal. And I'm just going to bolt it in. There's a bolt hole down there. Just going to put a little bit of gasket maker, or if you put some high temp silicone, that'll do it. Action. So I've installed it now, and it'll divert all any oil off the exhaust. And this water reservoir, I just took the 2 bolts out and just moved it aside, didn't unhook any hoses. That vacuum hose I'm going to replace. BMW wants $1,600 to replace the valve cover. I'm okay with my winter beater leaking a little bit of oil, just not on the exhaust. $2 fix, 15 minutes.